Everyone, welcome to our channel Higher Mathematics. In this video lecture, I am going to discuss the pyqs of linear algebra asked in IIT JAM 2023. So our question is, which of the following is a subspace of R3 over R? So our first option is XYZ belongs to R3 such that y plus z square plus 2x minus 3y square is equals to 0. Second option, the set of x, y, z belongs to R3 such that x plus 2y minus 3z plus 1 is equals to 0. Now we will discuss option by option. So what is the first option? X plus 2y minus 3z plus 1 is equals to 0. So if we see the B option, what we get that 0 is not belongs to this. If we put 0, 0, 0, we get 1 is equals to 0, which is not possible. For B option, 0, 0, 0, which is belongs to R3, but if we put it here, we get what? 0 plus 2 into 0 minus 3 into 0 plus 1 is equals to 0, which implies what? 1 is equals to 0, which is what? This is a contradiction. So this option is false. This is not a subspace of vector space R3 over R because 0, 0 not belongs to this set. Now option C, set of all x, y, z belongs to R3 such that y into z is equals to 0. This option also discarded by the given option. Example 1, 1, 0 and 1, 0, 1. This both belongs to R3 and this satisfy this condition. Y into z is equals to 0. Here y into z is equals to 0. But if we add these two sets, what we get? This implies 1, 1, 0 plus 1, 0, 1. This is equals to what? This is equals to 2, 1, 1, which is not equals to 0, 0, 0. So this set not belongs to here. So what we get? The addition of two sets is not contained in this set. So this is not a vector space. Addition law is not hold here. So this option is also false. Now for D option, set of all x, y, z belongs to R3 such that y belongs to Q. Now if we take an option 1, 1, 1. If we take an example 1, 1, here y belongs to Q, that is a rational number. But if we multiply this with root 2, what we get? Root 2, root 2, root 2. So here we see this is what? This is irrational number. This is not belongs to this Q. That is rational number. This is not belongs to rational number. So this is not belongs to this set. So scalar multiplication. This is a scalar multiplication. This is belongs to what? This is belongs to R. But this is not belongs to the set. So this scalar multiplication does not hold in the sets. If scalar multiplication does not hold, the space is not a vector space, so it is not a subspace also. So this is not a subspace over R3 over R. So this option is also incorrect. So our remaining option A is correct. How it is correct? Well, let me see. For proving that it is a subspace, we can prove two things, that f of 0 is equals to 0 and second f of minus of a is equals to a minus of a. If these two conditions are hold, then this is a subspace. So if we put 0 here, 0 here, we get 0, and if we put minus of a here, we get minus. We put what? Minus of a. We put a. So this option is correct. So remaining option is this only. So we can say this is the correct. So this is a subspace of R3 over R. So this is a solution of this question. If you like this video, hit the like button, and for more such video, you can subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.